The 8 MD homeopathy students of Northeastern Institute of Ayurveda and Homeopathy have called off their indefinite hunger strike following a meeting with the Under-Secretary to the Ministry of Ayush, assured the students that their pending stipends would be disbursed and confirmed the ongoing affiliation process of their PG courses with NEHU. The students have been protesting for better financial and academic support.
They were there. Then we joined them, and then they came over here with the law, with the democratic way, under the guidance of all our respected seniors. We established that we are winning it. It's a huge victory. You should celebrate it.
हर चीज कुछ रीजन की वजह से होता है। इस प्रोटेस्ट की वजह से बहुत कुछ चीजें बदल जाएंगी शायद इस कॉलेज में। अगर ये स्टाइपेंड हमारा मंथली हो जाता, सब कुछ सही रहता, हो सकता था बहुत सारी चीजें कॉलेज में वैसे ही चलती रहती, जैसे स्टूडेंट्स का फैकल्टी का प्रॉब्लम है और भी बहुत सारे इश्यूज हैं, है ना।
ये सिर्फ हमारी जीत नहीं है, ये आप सबकी जीत है।